Typewriter looking keyboard is the perfect mix between a new gaming feel and an antique look. Equipped with RGB lights on every single row, this thing looks amazing with the lights on. Although if you want it to look more antique, you gotta turn them off. This is a full-size keyboard, so it does come with a numpad, and all these keycaps are circular to match the typewriter feel. And I know you're going to want a sound test, so I'm going to leave it all in one part. Make sure you guys follow for that. I know a lot of creators would have put it in two and had you comment and reply to that instead. And of course, this is made by Meiji, so you know it's good stuff. If you guys are interested, they're running coupons 24/7, so make sure to go check what prices you guys get if you guys want an antique typewriter looking keyboard. Great for gaming as well.